Hi everyone, today we'll consider lever locks, Pro CAM or CAM, border, 6 levers. They can be with 8 levers as well. Locks are difficult as there are traps. Here we have the so-called magic key, an impression lock pick for lever locks, and a turbo decoder. There are old CAM locks and they all quickly can be opened with the magic key pick. But all these new Pro CAM or border, now I will show what happens. Or rather nothing happens. This is where clicks happen. You can hear. This clicking means that it hits a false hook. In general, such Pro CAM locks, these are 3+3 and 4+4 practically, often cannot be opened with an impression pick for lever locks, that is, with a magic key. To get around the traps in such locks, you need such a decoder. It handles them very easily and quickly. Here you can hear that it also hits the hooks, but nevertheless bypasses them. This is due to the fact that the tool has a large stroke up and down, and due to this large stroke, it turns out to bypass all the traps. This tool is also compatible with the new Securemme model 3+3. It also has traps, and this tool allows you to bypass them. The kit also comes with a cutter. Prices for these turbo decoders you can find on our website. Bye.